to Group 13's Digital Tool Tutorial. Teaching just got a major upgrade. So in today's tutorial, we will show you how technology can make learning easier, faster, and more fun. With Photomath and Mathway, solving tricky math problems is now a breeze. Then with Microsoft PowerToys OCR, capturing and digitizing text has never been simpler. And with ClassPoint, you can make your lessons more interactive and engaging for every student. Whether you're a student looking for smarter ways to learn or a future teacher ready to make your classroom more interactive, these tools are here to help you succeed. From step-by-step math solutions to instant text recognitions and interactive lesson design, Group 13 brings you the best of digital learning at your fingertips. So get ready, grab your devices, and let's explore how these apps can transform teaching and learning. Photomath is a free mobile application designed to help you solve math problems instantly, just by using your phone's camera. All you have to do is point your camera at a printed or handwritten math problem, and Photomath will scan it in seconds. But here's what makes it really amazing. Photomath doesn't just give you the final answer. It also provides step-by-step explanations so you can actually understand how the problem is solved. Whether you're solving basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, or even more advanced equations, Photomath can guide you through each step clearly and visually. This makes it super helpful, not only for students who want to learn faster, but also for future teachers who want to demonstrate math solutions interactively.
Step 1. Open the app, and you will see a camera ready to scan your math problem. It can be either printed or handwritten. Step 2. Scan your math problem. You can adjust it to make sure the app reads your problem correctly. And you can also use the flash to make scanning clearer. And then you press the button. An animated tutorial will appear right away, where you can see and hear how the problem is actually solved. However, there is a limit, because you need to pay to see the full tutorial. But don't worry, you can just scroll, and you will see the step-by-step solution. You can also upload a photo of your math problem, so it's easier to scan. Just make sure the picture is clear. You can adjust it as well to ensure the entire math problem is captured properly. Step 3. Tap showing solving steps, so you can see how the problem is solved step by step. And click the arrow on the right side to view the solution step by step. And that's the final answer.
Mathway is a powerful problem-solving app designed to make math easier for everyone. Whether you're dealing with basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, or even complex calculus, Mathway provides instant answers and step-by-step solutions. With just a simple type or a quick photo of your problem, the app quickly shows you how to solve it. It's like having a personal math tutor, available anytime and anywhere, helping students learn, understand, and solve math problems with confidence.
First, you need to install the app, and when it's done, tap to open it. You can tap the camera icon to take picture of your handwritten or printed problem. You can grab and use the flash icon to properly take picture of it. Select an option based on your math problem, and after that, tap the See Solution button to see your answer. You can also upload a picture of your math problem, and Mathway will solve it for you, just like this. It has features to edit the image so that Mathway can solve it easily and accurately. So here's your answer. In the right corner option, we see History. But first, we need to sign in or create an account to access it. After signing in, you can see your history now. Lastly, on the left corner, we can see a keyboard icon. In here, we can type our math problem. It also has a variety of keyboard options so that Mathway can answer your math problem accurately.
Up next, Microsoft PowerToys OCR, also known as Text Extractor. It is a free tool in Microsoft PowerToys that lets you copy text from anywhere in your screen, even from images, videos, or locked documents, using optical character recognition or OCR technology. So what is it used? It is used to extract and copy text that you can't normally highlight, such as text in a photo, screenshot, or scanned document. You simply press Win plus Shift plus T, select the area with text, and PowerToys automatically copies the recognized text to your clipboard for easy pasting.
After downloading, open the app. As you can see, there is a lot of features or tools. Each tool has a toggle switch. To use a tool, simply turn it on. You can also click on the tool's name to open its settings and customize it to your liking. Now, let's try the Text Extractor tool. This feature lets you copy text from anywhere on your screen, even from images or locked windows. Make sure the text extractor is turned on. Now you can see that I have here an example of a file. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. Then click and drag over the area that contains text. PowerToys will automatically copy the text to your clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere like in Word, Docs, or Notepad. Up next, let's use the color picker. These tools help you find the exact color on your screen. Perfect for designers or students doing digital work. To use it, make sure Color Picker is enabled. Press Windows plus Shift plus C, and now there you have it. Move your mouse over any color on your screen. You'll see the color code in hex or RGB format. Click to copy it, and you can paste it into apps like Paint or Photoshop. PowerToys includes many more features such as fancy zones that organize your windows easily, or awake that keep your PC from sleeping. And that's it. You've just learned how to open Microsoft PowerToys, enable its tools, and use two of the most useful ones, Text Extractor and Color Picker.
ClassPoint is a powerful tool that transforms ordinary PowerPoint presentations into an interactive learning experiences. It allows teachers to bring lessons to life by adding quizzes, polls, and drawing tools that make every slide more engaging. Instead of just presenting information, educators can connect with students through real-life participation and feedback. With ClassPoint, teaching becomes more creative, fun, and meaningful, turning a classroom into a space where learning feels alive and interactive.
Once you have ClassPoint installed, it will appear on your PowerPoint ribbon at the top. Click Sign In to start. But if you are new to ClassPoint, you can create your free account from here. After a successful sign-in, you will have access to all the icons shown on the ribbon. They are useful when you prepare your slides or review your presentations after class. Now, let's start our presentation. In slideshow mode, you can see the ClassPoint toolbar with annotation and student engagement tools to aid your interactive presentations. The class code is displayed at the top right corner for your students to join and participate in your presentations throughout the class. Notice that you can toggle on or off the toolbar or class code display from the slideshow options in the ClassPoint. By default, they are both checked.